I just want to make a quick general point about the kinds of theories that we will be talking about in this class. The textbook starts us out with a good general list of the most important kinds of ways of analyzing politics. And what I want to mention is that all of these theories, with one exception, all of the theories focus on a unit of analysis larger than the individual. And that's a kind of thinking that seems to go against the grain for many Americans. Maybe it's because of the individualism of our culture, but for whatever reason, Americans seem to find it more natural to focus on individuals and individual level explanation. If you ask Americans why we have a high level of non-voting in our country, answers tend to focus on the individual characteristics of those who don't vote. But for political scientists, those kinds of explanations, while valid in their own realm, don't really go very far towards helping us understand the problem. If people are lazy, how does that explain that the United States has much lower rates of voting than do many other comparable countries? And so, to a very large degree, the kinds of explanations we're going to be looking for focus on systems, institutions. Even rational choice theory, which may at first sound like it focuses on individuals, but in fact the opposite is true. Rational choice theorists have no interest in theories of psychology. They simply take it for granted that everyone is rational and value maximizes. And therefore, what they look at is different incentive structures. Individual psychological explanations are completely valid in their own realm. I'm certainly not asking you to give them up. But to also, at least for the length of this course, try on more systemic kinds of comparative explanations.